my YouTube channel. So today is a very special day, which is why I've got ingredients to make a cake. I'm also here with my sister because I don't know how to make stuff by scratch. Well, not really making by scratch. So here's what you'll need. A chocolate sponge mix. Well, we're getting this because I don't know how to make a chocolate cake and nor does she, so we're cheating. We're going to need some milk chocolate, cooking chocolate, butter. We're using 2 bourbons. You don't have to, it's optional. 2 medium eggs, 2 baking trays. We're using marshmallows, but you can do any of the topping however you want. 2 spoons, 120 milliliters of water, and a nice cooking tray. So yeah, let's get in. For the first part, you're going to need your sponge mix, your water, your eggs, and your bowl, and scissors to open it up. So firstly, we're just going to take our scissors and open up this package. Now we're going to add in water, and we're going to add in our egg. You just need to mix it now. When the batter's all done, you're going to want to get your trays and grease them. So once you've greased the trays, you're just going to want to take a bit and pour it in. And you're going to want to do this evenly so they can go on both trays. So when that's done, you're going to want to put it in to the oven for 25 minutes. So we'll see you guys back when we've done that. It's now been cooked, so we're trying to get the cake out, but it's not coming out. So we're just going to try and turn it upside down and bang it out. Yeah, now we're just going to have to scoop this out. Now for the top. Let's hope this one won't be too bad. So that wasn't too bad, I suppose. There's been worse. So anyways, now we're going to put these to the side. So with our bowl, we want to melt some chocolate, and then we're going to get some butter and make the cream. So let's open this and break it up into pieces. And now you just need to microwave it. So once the chocolate's melted, you're just going to want to put it onto the middle part and just like spread it around. So when it's been done, we're going to put the top part on it now. We're going to do the marshmallows and the bourbons. We want to do the bourbons like this because it'll look cool. So I'm just going to put chocolate in it. And we want it to go like that, so just dip a bit in.
So this is the finished product, so it didn't turn out the way I wanted it to, but yeah, this is how it looks like. So yeah, thanks for watching, bye!
Please like and subscribe. Also click the notification button so you can be notified when my latest videos come out. Thanks!